yogurt be the secret weapon in your fight against belly fat? We'll be diving into some recent research from the University of Tennessee and exploring the potential benefit of yogurt for weight loss, specifically targeting that stubborn belly fat. But before we get yogurt obsessed, remember, this isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. We still cover the essential elements of a healthy lifestyle for sustainable weight loss and body love. So, grab a spoon and maybe a healthy yogurt and get ready to learn how this creamy treat might be your new best friend in your fitness journey. Belly fat, a common enemy we all face. It can impact our confidence, health, and energy levels. But there's some promising research suggesting yogurt might be a helpful tool. Researchers at the University of Tennessee conducted a study where participants consumed 3 servings of yogurt daily as part of a reduced calorie diet. The results were interesting. Compared to a control group, those who consumed yogurt in their diet experienced increased fat loss. They lost significantly more fat overall with a focus on belly fat, muscle preservation. Importantly, they didn't lose muscle mass, which is crucial for maintaining metabolism. Potential for increased calorie intake. They were able to consume slightly more calories while still losing weight compared to the control group. Now, before you stock up on every yogurt tub you see, let's address some key points. The study focused on specific yogurt. The research used a particular yogurt brand, and it's not clear if all yogurts have the same effect. Diet and exercise still matter. While yogurt might be a helpful addition, overall calorie reduction and regular exercise remain essential for weight loss. Sugar content matters. Be mindful of added sugars in yogurt. Opt for plain yogurt and add your own sweetness with fruit or a drizzle of honey. So, what could be behind yogurt's potential benefits? 2 key players might be at work. Calcium. This mineral might play a role in fat cell function, potentially promoting fat burning and inhibiting storage. Probiotics. These live bacteria in yogurt can support gut health, which may incredibly influence weight management. Here's how to incorporate yogurt strategically in your weight loss plan. Choose plain yogurt. Opt for plain yogurt and sweeten it naturally with fruits or a touch of honey. This gives you control over sugar intake. Look for live and active cultures. Ensure your yogurt contains live and active cultures for the potential gut health benefits. Pair it with protein and fiber. Combine yogurt with protein sources like nuts or seeds and fruits or berries for added fiber to keep you feeling fuller for longer. Enjoy it as a snack or breakfast. Yogurt makes a great snack or a protein-rich breakfast option to kickstart your day. Don't rely solely on yogurt. Remember, yogurt is a piece of the puzzle. Maintain a healthy, balanced diet and engage in regular exercise. We can still have fun and be creative with yogurt. Here are some delicious and healthy recipes that incorporate yogurt for weight management. Overnight oats with yogurt and berries. A simple and satisfying breakfast option. Greek yogurt parfait with nuts and seeds. A protein-packed and fiber-rich snack. Yogurt-based dip with vegetables. A healthy alternative to high-calorie dips for crudités. Yogurt smoothie with spinach and banana. A power-packed smoothie for a post-workout boost. Remember, experiment with different ingredients and flavors to find yogurt recipes you love. It's not just about the food you eat, but also your relationship with it. Here are some tips to cultivate a positive approach. Practice mindful eating. Pay attention to hunger and fullness cues. Savor your food and avoid distractions while eating. Don't demonize food. All food can fit in moderation. Focus on building a balanced diet you enjoy. Celebrate non-scale victories. focus on how you feel, your energy levels, and how your clothes fit, not just the number on the scale. Make it a family affair. Get your family involved in healthy eating choices. Cook healthy meals together and explore fun recipes everyone enjoys. Speaking of family involvement, my daughter here had a great joke the other day. How do basketball players stay cool during a game? They sit next to their fans. That's right. Even a little humor can add some fun to your healthy lifestyle journey. So, can yogurt be your secret weapon against belly fat? While the research is promising, remember, it's just one piece of the puzzle. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and a positive relationship with food are all crucial for sustainable weight loss and body love. We hope this video empowered you to make informed choices and explore the potential benefits of yogurt in your weight management plan. Don't forget to check out the delicious yogurt recipes in the description below. Like this video if you've learned something new, and leave a comment with your favorite healthy yogurt recipe. Let's build a supportive community on this journey to healthier and happier lives. Thanks for joining us, and see you in the next video.